Vive Health here with a quick video on replacing an air cell in one of our alternating pressure mattresses. Now we have the 5-inch alternating pressure mattress here set up just as an example, but this will also apply to the 8-inch pressure mattress. We've got the cover removed here from the mattress. Normally it would snap on over this way. On some models you may have to unzip it, but either way you're going to want to remove the cover to get access to the tubing inside. If an air cell needs replacing, you need to start by unsnapping the air cell from its connection and then sliding it out from underneath the little holding straps here. Now generally, you'll be replacing an air cell if it's leaking. In this case, this one isn't. That's why it's inflating a little bit just from the back pressure from the other cells. But once we get that free, we're going to need to disconnect the valve. It's connected here, but I'll show you what it looks like on our spare. You need to disconnect these from the air hoses. Because this one's at the end, it has a little cap, but normally any of the cells in the middle will be connected to with tubes like this. So, pull that cap off, pull that free of the tubing, and now we'll connect the new one. With this though, I'm going to connect it with the snap in this position so that you can cover the valve once it's connected. Just fit that together there. And the cap back on. Now I'll turn this back over so the snap will connect. Feed this back underneath. Get that in position there. Turn that back over to connect the snap. Air cell is replaced. You can now switch the mattress back on to reinflate. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up if it's been helpful.